Yeah, we are from Signals and Systems India Private Limited, known by the brand name Sands. It's a 30-year-old company. We have been primarily focused on import substitute products, which means a high technology products that have been traditionally imported at a very high cost. We develop indigenously and we provide at an affordable cost to the Indian customers. Notably, we developed India's first quantum computer. We developed certain protection systems for the nuclear power plants, and we manufacture 0.05 class equipments which have generally been imported from Germany and Switzerland. In this exhibition, we are focusing on the digital transformation, which means taking the sensor data or any data from the shop floor to the cloud, which enables the senior management to take an effective decision. And we have been participating in this expo the third time that we are participating. We have participated in South and in West, and now here we are participating the second time. The organizations have done a very good job. There has been a very good experience with good marketing capabilities, and we have had a good response from the customers. So for those visitors, potential visitors, I hope you will be able to come and see a full, broad scope of the visitors or the people who have exhibited their products, technology oriented, and perhaps you will be more beneficial. Thank you.